Ever wondered how to sober up from weed fast and scientifically? We're diving into it. Unfortunately, there's no way to instantly sober up from weed, but these things may help. First up, hydrate. Water is your best friend in speeding up the detox process. It takes about 2 to 10 hours to come down from a potent marijuana high, according to Healthline. Another thing to try is pepper. It is an ancient cannabis antidote, and it may offer sedation and mental clarity after marijuana use, according to a 2011 review in the British Journal of Pharmacology. Try crunching on a peppercorn or grinding black pepper onto food. Next, citrus fruits. They contain a compound called limonene, which can aid in speedy sobriety. And don't forget a good old-fashioned nap. Sleep helps your body recover and reset. If you're feeling anxious, slow, deep breathing can help reset your nervous system. Although there may not be scientific evidence to support it, many pot smokers claim that splashing cold water on your face or taking a quick shower can make you more alert. It may not bring you down from your high, but it could help you deal with an emergency if one arises. If you're taking edibles, be aware that it can take 2 hours for the effects to peak, so don't consume more after an hour just because you're not feeling high enough. Avoid homemade edibles because you have no way of knowing how the THC is distributed throughout, so you might accidentally get a super concentrated brownie and get super high. Lastly, physical activity. Exercise can speed up your metabolism and help flush out toxins. Remember, everyone's body reacts differently, so find what works best for you. This is your quick guide to sobering up from weed according to science. Stay safe, stay informed,